Hi everyone, welcome to K2 Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can use RankMath plugin as an affiliate manager plugin in WordPress. You heard that right. Now you can use RankMath to manage all of your affiliate links instead of using a separate plugin like Pretty Links or Thirsty Affiliate. So let's check how you can do that. And first of all, you need to install the RankMath on your website. So for this I will go to plugins and I will click on add new, and you can simply search for RankMath, and here is the RankMath SEO plugin. So just install and activate this plugin. So I have already installed and activated this plugin in my website. So for this I will go to the RankMath and let's click on dashboard, and here you need to enable a module called redirection. So just enable this redirection module here and let's click on settings. Now here you will see the redirection module settings. So after, you need to click on this option redirection in the left menu. So just click on here, and this is the redirection manager dashboard. So you need to add your affiliate links here. So what I can do is I will click on add new, and then I will add my source URL, and then I will add my destination URL. So suppose I want to add a affiliate link of GeneratePress theme, then how I can do that? So I can simply search, or I can simply type like /go/ and I can add like GeneratePress, and I can redirect this URL to the affiliate link of GeneratePress. So let me just copy the GeneratePress affiliate URL here. So as you can see that !refer, and there is the affiliate ID. So I am using this affiliate URL here in the destination URL, and make sure to set it as 302 temporary move, or you can set it like 307 temporary redirect, and let's click on add redirection. So as you can see that now we have set the redirection. So let me just copy the URL here, and when I paste the URL, so as you can see that k2blogging.com/go/GeneratePress. So when I hit enter, it will redirect this URL to my affiliate URL. So as you can see this, the same affiliate URL slug is adding here. So this is how you can manage your affiliate links in RankMath SEO plugin. So if you are using pro version of RankMath, then you will get more additional feature here. So let me just show you what you can get in the pro version of RankMath. So here this is the Pretty Link Manager. So as you can see here, it will list all of the affiliate links, and you will be able to use it in your WordPress website very easily. So suppose I want to add a affiliate link of Shopify, or add a affiliate link of Big Rock. So let me just copy the affiliate link of Big Rock here, and let me delete this from here. So I will click on trash here, and let me add the same affiliate link in RankMath. So what I can do is I will go to RankMath and I will go to redirection. Now I will click on add new here, and here you can see more options in the pro version, like you will see a redirection category. So you will see an affiliate link here. So let me add the destination URL of Big Rock here, and I will add the source URL like /go/Big Rock, like this, and I can set it to redirection category to affiliate link, and I can add a category here in the redirection. So I will add this like in hosting. So all of my hosting affiliate links will be added here in this category. So I will click on add new, and as you can see that the hosting link is added, and I will click on add redirection here, and as you can see that Go Big Rock is now added. So let me just copy the URL from here, and I will paste the URL like this. So as you can see that this is my clocked affiliate link, and when you enter this URL, it will automatically redirect to my affiliate link of Big Rock. So in this way you can manage your affiliate links within the RankMath SEO plugin. You don't have to use a separate plugins like Pretty Links on your WordPress website. So let me just go to the dashboard here, and here I will go to RankMath, and I will go to redirection, and here you can see all of your affiliate links, and here you can see the category here, hosting. So in this way you can filter all of your affiliate links in different categories if you are using the pro version. and you can easily filter out using that category. So if you click on filter, it will add the hosting affiliate links here in the list. So this is how you can manage your affiliate links using the RankMath SEO plugin. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.